So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a splash screen for your application. So first you have to go to File, New, and make another empty activity. We're going to name it Splash Screen and make it launcher activity so that when your app launches this will be the first thing, so make it a tick on the box. And next we're going to be creating, first we're going to create the XML file for this. So in your XML file, when you go in, we're going to create an image view. Okay, let's open the preview and image view. Inside our image view, we're going to make both the width and height match parents, so it's like full screen, and we're going to put a scale type of fit XY so that it fits the whole screen. And we're just going to put a drawable of the background just for example, but you can just put it in your drawable folder and from there you can get your image. So now we're going to be going into our resource then styles, values then styles. In here we have to create a style of the name of your style, dots, no action bar or anything you want to name it. So in this style we have two items. First item is going to be window action bar, which is going to be a false, so it means no action bar. The second will be window no title, which will be true because we don't want any title in it. So then we go into our manifest file and we delete the intent filter of our main activity, and then we're going to go to our splash screen, add a theme of style, then app theme.no action bar. And in our Java file, first we're going to import the intent, so android.content.intent. So then we're going to create a thread named myThread, then new thread, which is going to be inside here. We're going to put a function of a public void, naming it run. So in this run, we have to put a try function and a catch function in here. So try if for sleep for 2000 milli. So it means this is going to be 2 seconds. As long as you want 2 seconds, it's going to show. So intent of, we're going to name it intent of a new intent, is going to get application context. So get it from the application context. Then make a comma for the main activity class. So after it finishes, it will go to our main activity class. So then we'll do a start activity what? Intent. Then after that it's going to be finished. And in our catch, we're going to put for the catch function if it's not, so the app doesn't crash on it. In our catch function, we're going to put an interrupted exception. We're going to name it e, then e.print stack trace. And at the end, after all the thread, we're going to just do myThread.start, and it'll just start the activity, and it should be going well. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something from this, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time. Peace.